Cool cars make car passionate people. For me, it was watching Goonies when I was a kid and seeing the Fratellis run away in that mid-90s Jeep Cherokee XJ. I still have mine that I got when I was 12. I still have it because I loved it so much and I loved that cool car movie connotation. To this day, that's still what builds car culture. Right across the street from me in the parking lot is a Ghostbusters dressed Subaru. Looks like the car from the movie, but on a modern car. Why? Because it's cool, it gets attention, and people love it. And if you're passionate about a car, you're definitely in the right place here. Now, we can definitely take care of yours, and we can help you Restomod it to look like that cool movie car if you really want to, or we can help you take care of that movie car and maintain its heritage and pedigree so it maintains that value too. Bet you didn't know that in one of our videos you saw Kenny Loggins' Cadillac, did you? Yeah, you weren't thinking about that. Or that you saw Elvis's motorcycle. Yeah, I know, we don't really talk about those things here because we care about the cars, okay? It's more important to me because we're car people. At the same time, we talk about them very differently. For instance, the one behind me is a Jaguar, because I'm in Colorado and we have sharp A's. Now, if I was on the East Coast, maybe it's a Jaguar or a Porsche. But in Colorado, those A's are sharp and we get over them quick. There's no Buena Vista, it's Buena Vista. And in the same mantra, we're gonna make sure that you can take care of your car the right way and reference it the right way so that you sound like the expert each and every time. And we're not afraid to talk to you about it. If it's Dia Los Muertos or Dia de los Muertos, we wanna know why and we wanna understand it because it's about that culture. And if you don't understand it right, you might be disrespecting the manufacturer or somebody's heritage. Get it right, take care of the car, and let us show you how it works too.